Hi everyone and welcome to Perima's Kitchen. I am Selena and today I'm sharing with you a quick recipe on how I do my raw baked bean chutney. You can have it for a day of fasting or as an accompaniment to your braai. I have already uploaded my braised baked bean chutney. So let's go ahead and start. I've already added 1 can of cool baked beans to my bowl. Next I'm adding finely diced onions, and again according to your preference you can go half or an entire onion according to how many cans of baked beans you're using. Next I've also diced some tomatoes, and there was just 1 tomato that I've added, followed by green chilies. I've diced approximately 2 green chilies. Add some salt to taste, a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, which will help balance all the flavors, cracked black pepper, mix and enjoy. You can even add some fresh coriander if you wish, and it's such a simple, quick dish. I love it even on a baguette or on toast, and it's one of my favorite accompaniments when I'm having a lovely South African braai. Thank you for watching. I am Selena from Perima's Kitchen. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Kindly hit the notification bell so you are notified when a new video is uploaded. Please like and share, and your comments are always very welcome.